DJN TV.
My Sabinus Ogungelicious people, I welcome you to another edition of DJM TV Entertainment Gist. That person be like, say, we dey give you all the gist that we don't share for inside Nigeria and all around the world on top entertainment matter for the whole week. You understand that's the be now. So right now, more not waste too much time. More jump into the matter the way they get because the matter they will carry con there plenty, not be small. Will they come? Now, the first matter we will carry concern one recent study where they do we get to do with happiness, you know, the world's happiest countries. I just say you go down here, but in case you never heard, I don't know why you did DJN TV Entertainment News. Now, I get one country where they always win the world happiest country. That country is Finland. Every year, when they go assess which country I say the people they happy pass on this whole world. Now, Finland, they win this one as the world's happiest country. Now, somebody will look and say, wait here, happen. Yes, I don't remember that time I say former governor of Imo State begin somebody commissioner for happiness. With which will be happiness? Minister for happiness and enjoyment issues. With the lot I say, wait till be that, wait till be that. We're not saying they rate countries based on the happiness of the people inside the country. Well, 2020 don't come aside. The ratings for last year, 2020, don't come aside. And the country will still win them as the world's happiest country. Now still Finland. Now they still win them. And Nigeria be there up before for the position, but somehow now you know the thing they be now based on Koro matter, protest matter, many issues the way sub for inside Nigeria. Nigeria don't drop come up for the position where they did before be 90 something for the whole world. Nigeria don't drop go 116. So for the whole world, Nigeria be the 116th happiest country for the world. So people say, we they happy for inside Nigeria? How what happy for it? Things when they stop inside Nigeria, you can't say we they happy. Now you know as it be. So people they say they're happy. We understand that for Africa before now, they almost they top the group as the happiest country for Africa. But right now, it be like so Cameroon and Ghana, they don't beat Nigeria hands down for this thing to become the happiest countries for Africa. Why Nigeria got to follow them for back? You know as they be now. Come like say, I will they train them for back on top of this happiness issue. Now somebody go say, how they take rate time because they're not gonna ask me questions to say you happy as you did inside Nigeria, happy you not happy as you did inside Nigeria. They don't ask me any questions. So how they take rate the world's happiest countries? Well, they use different things till they rate the world happiest country. You understand? Now, for instance, they use the GDP. What is GDP? Gross domestic population. They rate the world happiest. Then they use economic, the economy of the country. They rate the world happiest country. They get many criteria there. When they use it, they rate the world happiest country. May I read some of them? Give you. May you say still know why Nigeria be 116 on top world happiest countries. Now, for the matter where they grab, how did they rate this world happiest country? A very simple issue. And then they use things like social support. You get whether people they feel get support from the government, whether they get social group they support people until say whether they go through some kind issues for their life. And they use social support till they rate this country. I mean, you know, say social support now for Nigeria. Well, no worry, will not talk the matter. And they use other things like personal freedom, freedom of expression, freedom to do what you want to do, as long as you don't infringe on the rights of another person. I don't speak English, I know. As long as you don't oppress person joy with your freedom, personal freedom, one of the criteria where they use till they rate world happiest countries. And they also use things like gross domestic product, where be GDP, and the level of corruption for inside the country till they rate which countries they be the world happiest country. I mean, you know, say when it comes to corruption issue, now one issue like Nigeria don't fight for a very long time. Corruption not be something like say they favor us for this country. Sake of say almost every sector for Nigeria, corruption use anti-touch ground. And we know with the prayer of God, say make God stay us inside Nigeria, make common corruption for inside our country. But for now, these are some of the things where they use to rate the countries them on top world happiest. And after this one, they got to say, okay, the 10 happiest countries for the world include Finland, Denmark, Switzerland, Ireland, Netherlands, Norway, Sweden, Luxembourg, New Zealand, and Austria. And those are the 10 world happiest countries. And then they say for bottom of the list now, the cost start from ninth runner up to who carry first from back. On top the world 10 most unhappy countries for the world. The 10 most unhappy countries from number 140 to number 150. They include Burundi, Yemen, Tanzania, Haiti, Malawi, Lesotho, Botswana, Rwanda, Zimbabwe, and Afghanistan. Now, for all these countries we mentioned, only one I know dey for inside Africa, only one I dey Asia. The nine out of the 10 most unhappy countries for the whole world dey for inside Africa. This na sake of say many things dey happen inside Africa, like say we no dey really pay attention to. The government no dey really pay attention to. All they really dey concerned about na how they go take acquire wealth, amass properties for themselves, and all those things dey really dey affect the citizen of the country, but then they pay attention to all these things. You get now, most of all these countries they call most unhappy countries, people see they succeed though. That will tell you say for the rating, now what they rate most happy country for the world, they don't use money. They don't use whether you get money past another person. They only use GDP, gross domestic product, but they don't really use personal wealth. Because for all these countries they say 10 most unhappy, 10 most unhappy. So people they like say they gather money. Nigeria might be the 116th most happy country for the world. Yet, African richest man dey for inside Nigeria. That's to say, happiness not be factor of money. You understand? Many other things dey wey be like say they make country people dey happy. And now when the country people they happy, now they will fit to say, okay, this country na very happy country. So in case you dey find happy place to go, well, congratulations to Finland. They don win that once again for the 4th time in a row as the world most happy country. So why not? We go plan vacation for Finland now. In that matter they be now, but we go tap some of their happiness, carry and come inside Nigeria. Now, another matter we see share inside this week on top entertainment matter. Now the Grammys award. So people don't smile. Yes. We be like say 2 Nigerians for the very first time in history win Grammys award this week, and they include Burna Boy and Wizkid. You say Burna Boy, he win Global Music Album Award, waiting for top of the album, one of the album the way he released like a level up, one of the songs with inside the album. And then Wizkid also win for this Grammys award. Also the music video like say Beyonce featuring for Brown Skin Girl. You know that song now? Brown Skin Girl. Don't mind me, I know sabi sing. Now the matter be that. So on top of this one, Grammys award, for the very first time, Nigeria don't really make, in fact, Nigerians don't make Nigeria proud. You understand? Somebody say something, say, our happiness really don't really depend on the government. Forget we talk about what most happy country. But it's sometimes the things when they really give us happiness for this country, they really come from the government. They come from our own small achievement, the way we make, and our ability to celebrate people achievement inside Nigeria. You understand? Not only what they call bad things, they call Nigeria. Also, good things like Grammys award, they don't see call too. They don't see call Nigeria name joy for inside. That was them that still better matter. You understand? So congratulations to Burna Boy. Really, they say yeah, 2020 when they did this Grammys award, now Burna Boy and Angelina Jolie told the night come and say, and she, the woman, can't win Burna Boy. Because people really expect Burna Boy go win that year 2020. But when they say, like Oyibo would say, a delay is not denial. You get the matter now. He not win 2020, but come 2021, he does still carry the award now. This one I go even sweet pass. You understand? You see, food will be like say, you know, quick chop. What you they do. When you won't finally eat and then they sweet pass. Forget say no win 2020. 2021 don't come. Burna Boy don't win now. And on top the Grammys award when they win, plenty congratulations don't pour in. Davido go even congratulate them, say congratulations, so una win and win for Nigeria as a whole, for Nigerian culture, our spirit of resilience. Forget the many things wey like say it happened for the year 2020. We still come aside, we fit still bring something to the world table, you understand, on top of music industry. Davido congratulate them, congratulate Wizkid, congratulate Burna, but everybody say, why Davido go congratulate them? You know, that's the Nigerian music industry, beef there everywhere. But beef aside, you know, say the oga Davido let them know say himself we fit dey beef, but when e come to Nigeria, now all of us get in Nigeria. When e come to personal space, we fit quarrel, but when e come to the country, now all
DJ NTV.
all of us now get the Nigeria. So as such, every reason day to celebrate your achievement. So he say congratulations to Burna Boy and Wizkid on top their win for inside the Grammys award. Now many people go and say, but now Fisher Wizkid, they will still give them that trophy where they give people wey win award for Grammys. Yes, according to the rules for Grammys, they will still give them. Sake of say, Beyonce, when she do the music, she put a name say e Fisher the Wizkid for inside the music. So not only Wizkid now go collect this trophy, all of them from the producer to the director, because they win best music video for the whole world. So from the producer to the director to videographer, everybody they concerned inside this video. So all of them will receive their trophy onto the Brown Skin Girl music video what they do for year 2020. So many people they come and they go say, but you get one category we not to understand: contemporary gospel artist of the year. You remember I say 2020, a very rough time. But then one song we go come and say what they say, where Kanye West sing, where be Jesus is King, and that song now can win best contemporary gospel song for the year 2020. So congratulations to Kanye West and every other person will win. To Beyonce, even Beyonce small pikin said not begin to win award for inside Grammys. Congratulations to Blue Ivy, congratulations to Beyonce, congratulations to Wizkid, Burna Boy. Nigeria will celebrate, then our own will celebrate to now. We say big congratulations, and we hope that this one will spur up our not just our music artists, also our artists for other fields, even for athletics, for different worlds of sports, the worlds of fashion, the worlds of entertainment. Go support them up to do their best. And also for our small corner, where we do, we hope say this win will fit spur us up to do more. So we say big congratulations to all the winners for the Grammys award, and so those who not win this time, no worry. The way God take off for Burna Boy, no worry. They say last year 2020 Burna Boy no win, but come 2021 Burna Boy they shine bright like a diamond. You know how the matter they be now. So don't worry, even though you don't win this time, keep doing your best. Just do what you sabi do. One day, the light will still reach your side. You'll still there for what they call the sport light. And you say you'll still win the Grammys award. Now, moving from that to one matter like they affect all of us. You will hardly see anybody be like, say, you know, whole phone. And imagine that phone, an Android phone, and that person they follow you, they talk, maybe they do something. The very next way you will check that the person do on Instagram, the person do on Facebook, the person do on Twitter, or the person do on WhatsApp. Sometimes even TikTok. You know how the matter they be. Don't forget say DJ MTV will do on all of these platforms too. But something will happen on the 19th of March. People like say, they make people they want to say, what did they happen? What did they happen? Now, in case you don't know, Facebook don't buy Instagram and WhatsApp. So it's like everything you do for Instagram and your WhatsApp, if you link them, they're very connected. So you feel from your WhatsApp, post something for Facebook. You feel from your Facebook, transfer something to your Instagram. Based on saying that Mark Zuckerberg now gets everything. Now Facebook gets WhatsApp, Facebook now gets Instagram. So sometime on the 19th of March 2021, something could happen. Even me, I notice them. And they try to send WhatsApp message. You understand? Normally, now one of the fastest way of communication now would send messages on WhatsApp. And they try to send WhatsApp message. I could notice say, the message not they go. I might be saying maybe in a network. I not fair reason anything. Across the network, I check my data, I get data. The next thing again, I look the thing well. I try to make video call. I say I call somebody on WhatsApp. I use one line, no go. I use the other line, no, because it will not be network, something they happen. I call shield, I call pearl, as a matter they be. Only for me to go call it, I got discover say WhatsApp, Instagram, and Facebook, they be experienced users of these three social media platforms. They've been experienced better setback. That on Friday, 19th of March 2021. Many people don't do anything with these three social media giants, as we will call them. You know fit WhatsApp, you know fit do anything for Instagram, you know fit Facebook, you know fit update story, nothing. Because you're like, what did they happen? What did they happen? And then that one discover say the platforms can be dead down. Although the technical team for Facebook document they say nothing happened to nothing happened to Facebook and WhatsApp and Instagram. You know how they do it now. But I lie, you when they look me, so you know experience something that was in 90s, say something did wrong with WhatsApp. Something was wrong. And something we do WhatsApp. Now many people they say, hey, you go now be say we'll call over port, go Twitter. Twitter go full be that too. And you say many people they like this as a bit now. So those three platforms in dead down right now, as it just in the sub. Many people don't do anything with their phones because virtually business save them day. Most of other kind of business enter WhatsApp, kind of business enter Facebook and Instagram. So even without those three social media platforms, all of us can go enter maybe Twitter and Telegram and TikTok. That's so it will come be. That means many businesses go experience a little setback sake of say they don't already establish themselves for this social media giant. Although after some time, towards the evening time of March 19, will be Friday, the platforms that come up again. Many people they say, we happy well say this thing is really come up because it will not become part and parcel of our daily life. Whether you believe them or not, you dey watch me now on YouTube. Internet don't become one very big part of our lives, our daily lives. They help us to do business, they help us to communicate with people, with the user, and they do our financial transactions and all of that. So if all these things mistakenly go down, our happiness level, the way it go take drop, it go be like phone battery way run down. You understand? At that point, no country will be the happy. No matter even though say that country be the happiest country for the world, immediately internet giants they get problems. Social media, Twitter, Facebook, people happiness level go drop. Wow. Like ice block we met on that song. You know how the matter they be. Well, these are the stories that we'll pick up on top of the entertainment. It's not part of the video, so don't forget to follow us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, follow us on Twitter, on TikTok. Check out our website www.djmtv.news. We get enough gist for you for there. Enough videos that when you go watch, you'll be like say, we'll give you correct information on top entertainment gist. Well, I still be Lauro Favor, your host for this entertainment gist for DJM TV. Until I come your way again with another better delicious story, may you not forget say this life na turn by turn. If you know reach your turn today, you go reach your turn tomorrow. So what you go just do? Anything where your hand they do, may you do and well, because one day by one day that your handwork will find you. And even Bible talkers say anybody that diligent with his work, he go sit down with king. I know go sit down with ordinary people. My people, una well done.
Yeah, that I've been with Charlie Boy. But this ain't Charlie Boy, so I'm Mumu done too much. Charlie Boy, now I'm Mumu not too much. You be Mumu. You think say they wise. You are a Mumu man. You are a Mumu man. And then throw the tear gas if something way bad for issue. We just pray. If they say our Mumu done too much, our Mumu done too much. You be Mumu, they call other people Mumu. They never show you say you be Mumu. Nigeria is not for Desani. Nigeria is not for Charlie Boy. Nigeria is not for Goodluck Jonathan. Nigeria is not for Alhaji Mujahid Ogbasara Diabali. It's not for us. The earlier we realize this, the earlier every one of you realizes, the better it will be for us. That Nigeria is not for us. How many times would they tell you before you know that Nigeria is not for you? Charlie Boy? Goodluck Jonathan? He want to be America, we know. Who is America? Don't be small North Korea, they knock America here, knock America there. What America don't do, America will know. Instead of you to do something for people, they build a military school with our money. Instead of this, they go Zingero, they go this place. Now, even road to go to I cannot day. You want to please others and displease us and displease yourself. Now they never leave you. They have left you behind. This
DJM TV. DJ LTV.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like us.
Welcome to DJ MTV.
DJ LTV. DJ LTV. DJ LTV. DJ LTV.
Some of the delegates and ask them questions.
DJ LTV. DJ LTV. DJ LTV. DJ LTV.